In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without using AI. It's an exciting process, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure everything is smooth sailing from start to finish. To kick things off, head over to your Wix account dashboard. If you haven't already signed up or logged in, just do so quickly. Once you're in, direct your attention to the section labeled My Sites. It's here where you'll manage all your creations. So let's initiate the process by clicking on Create New Site. This action will whisk you away into the world of endless design possibilities. Immediately you'll be presented with a couple of options. You could start with a blank canvas, which is ideal if you have a very specific design in mind and want full control of the creative process. Alternatively, if you'd prefer not to start from scratch, Wix offers a plethora of templates that can provide a fantastic starting point. Today, we'll delve into choosing a template to explore the options available while bypassing any AI involvement in design decisions. After selecting to browse through the templates, you're taken to a new page filled with stunning template designs that cater to virtually every conceivable need or niche you might have. From business and portfolios to blogs and online stores, the selection is vast and varied. If you have a particular style or specific objective in mind for your site, take advantage of the search bar located at the top of the page. This handy tool allows you to filter results, making it easier to hunt down the perfect template that aligns with your vision. Once you've found a template that resonates with your goals and aesthetic preferences, it's time to select it. Simply click on the template and you'll see an option to edit. This step is where the real fun begins, as you delve into the customization phase. By clicking Edit, you'll be taken into Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, where you have the freedom to modify and personalize every aspect of the template. Without the assistance of AI, all your creative choices are entirely yours to make. Take your time to change the text, images, and layout to fit your brand or personal style. The beauty of using a template is that you have a strong foundation to start with, driving your focus towards fine-tuning details that truly make the website your own. Remember, this process is entirely customizable, and you can keep tweaking until it perfectly suits what you have envisioned for your site. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully started building a website on Wix without any AI intervention. Happy creating, and I look forward to seeing what you bring to life.